We're officially homeowners.
I don't know.
This is what it means. You have to hold this and you have to say, I'm a homeowner now.
I'm a homeowner now.
Smile.
Wow, my hair is like really all over the place. Me and the hubby are on our way to go to the home inspection for the house we're trying to buy. Also, what is this? How do you feel?
Okay.
You're not excited to see it? Oh my gosh. Don't get married. I'm actually really hot in this sweater, so I might have to take it off. But here we go. It's like about 10 minutes-ish from our current house. So.
Oh, we didn't do the contract.
Look at that. We are at the house. It's like the garage and the carport area. There's a door to the garage. Oh gosh, it's still super messy. I feel like they had a shop here. Big old dust thingy. It's cold in here. There's plenty of space if it wasn't so messy.
I know if all these
Good luck cleaning
cabinets
this.
and stuff were gone.
Look at all.
Nice, especially for a studio.
If it was cleaned up, I wonder how much it costs to finish it.
And an air pistol. Yeah.
And behind the garage is a tree. Like a hill. A window to the garage. I feel like if it was nice and clean, it would look really nice. And then they have some weird vaulting, like they would play games out here. I don't know. They got a little shed.
It's a lot of green.
It's on the other side of the fence here. And then there's... Oh, did we even walk? Oh yeah, we did. It just looks different. Because I didn't remember seeing this thingy. Here's the other side. Yeah, it snowed out here a little bit. That's funny. So there's the chimney here, and then I'm coming to the sunroom here. These things. Oh, okay. Oh shoot. I guess it goes like that. That's pretty cool because, like, if it's super sunny and bright, like, it's still shaded. They definitely need to be cleaned off. The top part is stupid. Yeah, it's not. It's not that short.
I was remembering being shorter than I thought.
I think you're thinking of maybe the rooms or something. So anyways, here's the kitchen. Here's this little cubby, which is like really cute, honestly. The countertops, which also have a slight green in it. Ugh. How do you color
Is it?
Yeah, look closely. Wow. I actually kind of like these sinks. This one's deep as heck. And yeah, and that's really cool. The window just needs to be painted and be really pretty. I like the little light above the sink. These bread boxes need to go. I bet there's bread in there. Oh shoot.
As soon as this thing gets...
They're not that deep, but they're good.
I can see some old lady wanting to buy this stuff.
Some old lady.
Yeah, look at the designs on it.
Oh yeah, I wanted to see these cupboards. So here we are.
Like, it's got actual little pieces of, like...
Oh, these are really deep.
It's got actual foxtails in it. It's like they made this themselves.
Oh wow, look at this, Claude.
I'm sure they made this as well.
Look.
Whoa. That's cool.
Dirty, but if it's clean, it'll be pretty cool. There's this, see what I mean by the stove is like really used.
Looks like it would still work perfectly fine.
What the? Yeah, everything seems lower here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So from the kitchen, you enter into the washer area. Can you flip a light or something? I don't know about these washer and dryers. I think I'd rather sell these and use ours. All right, so then we enter this area.
It's made for a little person.
Well, it's a lot wider than I remember, but it's really short. Definitely space, so.
My head is like way above.
Here's the pooping station. It really is like an insert, as I was calling it earlier. There's like a little light. Turn the little light on.
Oh, I gotta poop and I only want light on my toilet.
That's the song you would sing. Got a lot of toilet paper. Little towel rack. And like I like this little area, even though the sink is kind of small. Because I feel like, you know, oh gosh, they have so much to do. Just do new knobs, paint that, it'd be really cute. Get rid of this wallpaper. Looks like old people. Old people. Alright, so this room was used, I guess, as a bedroom. But I thought this would be a cool YouTube room. These blinds that need to go. They're so ugly. Oh my gosh, they're all blue. This door I just realized has a mirror behind it. Convenient. Do a little walkthrough to remember what's left here. Here's this bar room. It's kind of cool. The lighting. Just have water on the rocks. Just kidding. Here's the bathroom. Here's the closet. I think this is empty for the most part. Yeah, and then the bathroom is toilet paper.
You know, she said this.
Yeah, it's set to auto right now. Oh yeah, the bathroom here. Let's see over here about this room. Closet's empty. And then we walk out. This room is empty. And we got this. There's a carpet cleaner left in there.
That little box I was looking at,
What the heck are these?
I would think, you know.
Is this empty? You guys want a soda?
I feel like it's been in the house.
Washer room. Dining room. Front door. Hooks. Oh, shoot. Okay, so out here we've got you. Got here stuff. Water bottle, chair, decoration. Okay, let's go over here. Oh gosh. Hey, a dolly! That's something we don't have. And what the heck is this? That works. That's a lot of junk. Oh. Go up this hill. I almost didn't see that. Okay, so we're continuing. Boards. And more stuff. Okay. Gosh, did clear out a lot though. Another chainsaw. Hey, look, do you need a paddle? Some stuff in here I've never even. What is that?
You know, all she said is bubbling and tipping paint. Huh?
Okay, so I'm walking out to the front yard here. Hopefully I don't fall in a ditch or a hole. There's a hole right there. I haven't figured out what that is. I just want to know what this is though. I don't know what that was. House. So we finally got the keys to the house and we're on our way. Please ignore my husband's red dot.
That's character.
This is the path to the way we live, but we're not gonna show you how to get there. I think just hit that
Bush that's hanging low.
Just scrape all the bushes.
Oh no, it's
What the snow? What's happening?
I hope it's out. It's like that.
Yeah, it's almost sliding. The snow just slides off the top. Oh my gosh, the winter wonderland. You could probably park in the RV spot if you want to get out of the snow. Or just test it out. Or just go in a complete circle. Oh shoot. So we are inside the house. Darren is getting warm over here at this little fire thingy. We still have to make this electricity in our name, but it seems there's still electricity. So the carpet is gonna go. We can't wait for that. Then the fish already went. There's a fish on the wall, we tore it off. That lamp is gonna go. The kitchen covers are all gonna be painted white and it's gonna look so pretty. And then we're taking and getting rid of that thing up there and that there. So there's a lot to do. Homo. There's a lot to do, but we're gonna do it. It's gonna be fine. Replace the AC, replace the flooring. What do you think? It's official. We're officially homeowners. This is what it means. You have to hold this and you have to say, I'm a homeowner now.
I'm a homeowner now.
Smile. Okay. Whew, I look like crap. But we are at the new place. This is the bonus room. That's Buddy. He's in his... He is just chilling. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Anyway, so Darren's trying to connect the internet in another room, but we're trying to get Buddy to eventually calm down, but he just has a lot of anxiety. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how crappy I look right now. So he's just confused. He's not sure like what this is, what's going on. So he just needs to calm down. We put in his dog door here. He's tried it a couple times. He was confused at first. He got out of it and he walked away. And then when he came back, he pawed at the door because that's what he's used to, and like looked at us through the glass like, hello, I'm back, let me in. So we had to teach him how to push himself back through it. So it takes a little bit of practice and he'll get it down. Hi baby. Are you ready? Where's your zipper? Okay, we have a bet that he's gonna be walking really low.
How low can you go?
scared because nothing is anything he's ever seen in his whole life. Maybe he'll have the urge. No urge. I've never seen that toy before. Chicken? Chicken? Okay, Darian, you're gonna have to help him out. Now let him go to the closet. Come on, Kiki. Come on.
Take a long walk.
It just destroys the carpet. Sorry, the curtain. He's a little low. Not as low as we thought he would be.
So looking around.
Oh, that was a thingy. You better go check on him.
You just break it.
Oh, he destroyed the cat door. He's outside, but he's at the cat door. Go call him from his door.
Buddy, come on.
He's at the wrong door.
Inside. Wait.
Call from there, be like,
Wait, inside.
Bola, come here. What is that, Kiki? A big window. Look at that windowsill.
Can't see out of it at all.
He's a cat. You can see all things. You're in his light. Okay. He's so low. Baby. What you doing, Tiny? So my cat likes to go behind the curtains to hide now because he's scared. But you know. I wonder where Kiki is. Where could Kiki be?
Kiki, you realize only your head
Where could he
is
be?
behind there?
Is that the Tiki? What's he doing behind the curtain? Is that where you feel safest? Okay, Kiki. This is gonna be Kiki's room for a little bit. So we came out here only to discover freaking turkeys. I didn't know turkeys lived here. They're just looking at me and freaking out. Anyways, just a little bit of snow trying to melt its way through the week. So we are in our third U-Haul since we've been together. Darren is driving. I'm a little nervous because there's so much crap in the back and I wasn't there to pack it, so I have no idea. I mean, I did a little bit, but I have no idea, like. So anyway, here we go. Woo! I'm sure he's following us. He can't miss us. I can't see anything right now. Okay. It's dark, but we're getting things done. I'm just sitting back and relaxing. Just kidding. Before I decide how to close it up, but I rolled up the little sides because they're just kind of dangling and I pinned them. But anyway, okay, one down, one to go. This one is coming undone, so there's a possibility that this one's not gonna work.